Hello, everyone. I want to share my experience about learning psychic powers from Ankita ma'am. First of all, I want to thank Ankita ma'am to giving me this opportunity to sit in her class and learn all the skills from her. When I'm talking about prize, I would say that it's not even value to money. It's a priceless course which we are getting for a price, which eventually you will feel by end of the course, or maybe fortunately you can feel it during the beginning of few classes that this course is not only priceless but also brings lot of opportunity which activates your different faculties within you which you have been asking or seeking answers from yourself or from divine. You will receive all the answers very organically from ma'am and all the skills what we learn with. Whereas we talk about the kind of facilities were given to us, all the study material and good access to all the YouTube videos, and to Ankita ma'am as well. Anytime during the course or classes, we were never stopped that you were not supposed to ask these kind of questions, or all the questions will be taken after the class. Anytime Ankita ma'am was very very happy to take our questions and answer them and then move the class forward. And she has been exceptionally amazing educator. She is like a friend, philosopher, guide. She always says that she is like our friend, but she is a true guru. Guru is, sometimes people say guru is a torch bearer, but Guru is Torch himself, and she is the one for us. Each one of us, all the students are so well connected with each other and with Ankita ma'am under her guidance. It's it was a beautiful journey which can not be, replaced by any other happiness. It was a total looking forward opportunity. We used to wait for these 2 days to meet Ankita ma'am and do our course and practices. Ample enough of time was given to us to practice it. Each student was very important and given enough time. All were looked after very well. Nobody can say that this student was this. All of us were favorite of Ankita ma'am, and I really want to say that we love you, ma'am. Whatever you have done to us through this course is amazing. It's beyond our imagination. Though my expectation with the course, whatever expectation I came in, it was way beyond my expectations, and it changed each one of us as a person, all the students. It's like a journey of 3 months with Ankita ma'am, and you will you just write it down in your journal or whatever you write, whatever questions, or you're seeking answers to the questions, and eventually, without asking Ankita ma'am, she will end up answering all your questions and even above and beyond expectations, because she understands everything what we are thinking or what our soul is seeking. She knows everything. She is true guru, and very fortunate that we could get her time for this course, and we got the time to be with her, spend with her. That was the most valuable and precious time of my entire life. Thank you so much, ma'am. In depth with this, whatever you have given to us, it's really unbelievable, and it's not something which I would say that it can be calculated. It's like infinite blessings with this infinite course. Thank you so much, ma'am.